Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Margaret Joki Mogo from Embu County, Kenya, Africa. Today we are cooking traditional village food. If you are returning subscribers, welcome and welcome back. If you are new to my channel, welcome and welcome back. Thank you. Come with me, we get firewood in the forest. Come. Come with me, guys. We start cooking together. Let us start together. Wow. This skuma wiki. This spinach. Today we are cooking greens. These are African greens. You can see. Straight away, we start by washing our green veggies. We have to add water first. Then we clean our veggies in a plastic basin. Life in the village is so sweet. Kindly subscribe, share, like, and comment. If you are new to my channel, welcome and welcome back again. Wow. You can see this is African mom. Then we cut our veggies into pieces. Wow. We start by washing the tomatoes, onions. Then we have to cut them into pieces. We cut manually with a knife. We cut onions and tomatoes manually before cooking. Ripe in the filling is so sweet. This is an African mom, an African queen. Straight away, we start by handing oil when we are cooking. Remember, the fire is ready. We add onions, then we fry until they are golden brown. After that, we add tomatoes. Then we add green veggies. After adding green veggies, we have to add salt. We add salt. Then we mix our food well. After that, we cover with another sufuria. Remember, our sufurias are black in color. We start by washing rice. Then we add to the boiling water. We still continue with adding firewood in the kitchen. add rice. Then we stir and wait for 30 minutes. The food will be ready. Then we mix well and taste the salt. Kindly watch my long videos, watch my short videos. We are now 4,000 subscribers, way to 10,000 subscribers. Thank you for your continued support. Thank you so much. The food is ready to be served. Welcome. We enjoy the food together. Kindly subscribe, share, like, and comment.